Manila, I keep coming back to Manila. Let me hear you. Pinoy ako, buong Pino.
Na mga kapamilya heartthrob, Papa P!
Yes! Hello po sa inyo lahat at maraming salamat sa
Say yes! Tama yan, Angge! Inimbitahan din po namin ang best of the best Global Pinoys mula dito para bigyan kayo ng world-class entertainment.
Kaya naman huwag na nating patagalin to. Let's get the party going! Let's go!
This is the flip.
Dari kasi kung nakausap at kasi
To love you.
Sa magiging empowered Filipina.
Pati sa atin
She's got the talent, she's got the attitude, and of course, she's used to
Anong hinahangaan sa Philippine entertainment industry?
It's better than yours, damn right. It's better than yours. I can teach you, but I have to try my shit. Bring all the boys to God, and they're like, it's better than yours, damn right. It's better than yours. It's better than yours. I can teach you, but I have to try my shit. Bring all the boys to God, and they're like, it's better.
Tunay bang ako lang ang lagi mong iibigin? Kung sa'yo'y ibigay buong puso at damdamin, di ako makararanas. Puso ko ikaw, kung tapenge ka dyan, ako nang maliligaw. Piling ka, sana'y ikaw ay narito, kapiling at kailangan ko. Alam mo bang pag-ibig ko ay para lamang sa'yo? Ang buhay ay sana sa bawat sandali, kapiling ka, sana'y kapiling ka.
'Cause it's magic when two people fall in love. Cause it's magic to let me dance forever in a wish that we made together on a night that I pray would never end.
Ang takot at ang mga buhay ko.
Kita pala.
Oh, sabagin mo na ako, wala na akong ibang asam. Mapasakin ka lang, ba't ba hindi nakikita lang? Sa iba sa'yo ay hello! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Kumusta?
Sa ganon, oo. Pero pwede na, eto na Vancouver, ready na ba kayo? Dahil ang totoo po talaga, ang tototohanin. I was a ghost, ha, to a jump, ha, was a ghost. Given a throne, I didn't know how to believe, how was a queen. I'm done hiding, now I'm shining like I. What's up, Madlang Vancouver? Hindi ko na kaya.
No, but actually, I really want to say thank you to everyone who watched and supported. It's okay to not be okay.
Akala mo kung sinisag to, kasabwat naman pala ni Santi ko! Panalangso! Santong kabayo! Everybody say! Natatawa ko! Say it loud! Panalangso! Say! Santong kabayo! Say! Natatawa ko! Sa'yo!
Kwento natin ng pagmamahalan, pagtutulungan at pagbibigay inspirasyon. We hope and pray that you continue to fly high and achieve your biggest dreams. Yan po ang one true wish ng inyong all-star ASAP Kapamilya.
You gave has taught me to be
together as we walk on